In the ever-evolving world of lawn care, the quest for the perfect riding lawnmower remains a top priority for homeowners and professionals alike. As we step into 2024, the landscape of lawn mowing technology has seen remarkable advancements, offering many options to suit various needs and preferences. From increased efficiency to enhanced sustainability features, the best riding lawnmowers of 2024 represent a harmonious blend of innovation and reliability. This guide explores the top contenders in riding lawnmowers, keeping a keen eye on performance, durability, and user convenience. Whether you're seeking precision cutting for a pristine lawn or robust power to tackle challenging terrain, these machines are engineered to exceed expectations. Join us as we delve into the cutting-edge features, ergonomic designs, and unparalleled capabilities that define the best riding lawnmowers of 2024, empowering you to make an informed choice for your lawn care needs. EcoPower Plus 42-inch C6. The EcoPower Plus 42-inch C6 is a game-changer in riding lawnmowers, poised to revolutionize your lawn care experience. Packed with cutting-edge features and unmatched power, this innovative mower elevates your efficiency and comfort while maintaining your lawn. At $4,499, the EcoPower Plus C6 boasts Peak Power Plus technology, harnessing the combined power of up to 6 Ego 56-volt arc lithium batteries. It can hold 6 batteries simultaneously, 4 included, and delivers the power of gas with a remarkable 22 horsepower equivalent engine. You can tackle up to 2 acres on a single charge with the included batteries, or extend your mowing range to 3 acres with 6 by 10 amp hour batteries. The Z6 isn't just about power but control and customization. With 3 driving modes: Control, Standard, Sport, and a user-friendly interface, you can tailor your mowing experience to your preferences. Its 42-inch cutting deck with 0 turn radius ensures precision cutting, while the 10-position height adjustments of 1.5 to 4.5 inches cater to various lawn types. Comfort is key with adjustable seat suspension, ensuring a smooth ride even on rough terrain. Stay connected with Bluetooth, a USB charging port, and a phone holder while enjoying the safety and convenience of 32 LED lights and IPX4 weather-resistant construction. With the industry's fastest charger, boasting a 2-hour charge time, downtime is minimized, keeping you focused on the task. Backed by a 5-year tool, battery, and charger warranty upon registration, the EcoPower Plus 42-inch C6 is not just a mower. It's a testament to innovation, efficiency, and unmatched performance in lawn care technology. John Deere Q850M. The John Deere Q850M is a powerhouse in lawn maintenance machinery. At $12,549, this formidable machine embodies John Deere's legacy of reliability, performance, and innovation. Under the hood, a Q850M boasts a robust engine delivering 27 horsepower at 3,600 RPM. Its displacement is 852 cc, and it is housed within a V-twin configuration. Its 12-gallon fuel tank ensures extended operation without frequent refueling, while the full-pressure lubrication system guarantees smooth performance under varying conditions. Equipped with a tough torque TZT13i transmission, a Q850M offers seamless speed control ranging from 0 to 10 miles per hour forward and 0 to 5 miles per hour in reverse, controlled via twin-hand operated levers. The hydraulic system, featuring a capacity of 6.0 US quarts and 2 internal, replaceable filters, ensures optimal performance and longevity. For cutting prowess, the Q850M is outfitted with either a 54-inch or 60-inch 7-iron Pro-Side discharge mower deck constructed from one-piece forged steel for durability. With a cutting height range of 1.5 to 5 inches and a blade tip speed of approximately 18,000 FPM, this mower guarantees precise and efficient grass cutting. Standing at 48 inches in height and weighing between 1,095 pounds and 1,120 pounds, depending on deck size, a Q850M provides stability and durability for prolonged use, backed by a 36-month or 1,200-hour warranty, whichever comes first. The John Deere Q850M is a testament to quality craftsmanship and performance excellence in lawn care equipment. Ariens Ikon Select. The Ariens Ikon Select is a formidable contender in residential lawnmowers. It offers a blend of power, precision, and convenience at an attractive price point of $4,199. Boasting a robust Kawasaki FIR 691 volts engine with a displacement of 726 cc and delivering a hearty 23 horsepower, this mower is built to tackle even the toughest mowing tasks easily. Equipped with a 52-inch cutting deck featuring 13 cutting positions ranging from 1.5 to 4.5 inches. The Ariens Ikon Select ensures customizable cutting heights to suit your lawn's specific needs. A Warner system electrically powers the deck engagement, while the foot-operated deck lift system enhances user convenience. The Hydro Gear EZT transaxles drive system provides seamless control, allowing forward speeds up to 7 miles per hour and reverse speeds of 3 miles per hour. Forged aluminum spindles ensure durability and reliability, and this mower is designed to withstand the rigors of regular use. Weighing 682 pounds and measuring 74.5 inches in length and 55 inches in width with the chute up, the Ariens Ikon Select strikes a balance between maneuverability and stability. Additionally, features such as USB auxiliary power, a standard floor mat, a deckband storage tray, lights, and seat isolation enhance comfort and usability. Backed by a 3-year or 300-hour warranty, the Ariens Ikon Select is a testament to Ariens' commitment to quality and performance in residential lawn care equipment. Husqvarna Xcite Z350. The Husqvarna Xcite Z350 embodies excellence in residential lawn mowing. It combines superior performance, versatility, and comfort into a sleek and powerful package priced at $4,999. With a maximum forward speed of 8 miles per hour, this mower ensures efficient and swift lawn care without compromising precision. Powered by a Kohler 7000 series engine, the Xcite Z350 boasts a formidable 24 horsepower and a cylinder displacement of 44.2 cubic inches. Its air-cooled engine, full-pressure lubrication, and heavy-duty canister-style air filter ensure reliable performance and longevity even in challenging conditions. Equipped with a tough torque transmission, this mower offers seamless speed control with a maximum forward speed of 8 miles per hour. Its 10-gauge fabricated cutting deck features 3 blades and 12 cutting height steps ranging from 1.5 to 4.5 inches, providing versatility to meet your lawn's specific needs. Weighing 794 pounds and measuring 78.75 inches in length, 68 inches in width, chute down, and 56 inches in width, chute up, the Xcite Z350 balances maneuverability and stability. Additionally, thoughtful features such as a cup holder enhance the operation's overall convenience and comfort. With the ability to collect, mulch, or side discharge grass clippings, the Husqvarna Xcite Z350 offers versatility to suit various mowing preferences. Whether you're maintaining a residential lawn or commercial property, this mower is engineered to deliver exceptional results. Toro Groundsmaster E3200. The Toro Groundsmaster E3200 redefines the standards of efficiency, power, and environmental sustainability in commercial lawn care. With Toro's pioneering Hypercell lithium-ion technology, users can customize their power needs by seamlessly integrating additional batteries, ensuring consistent performance and optimized life cycle. This patent-pending innovation represents Toro's commitment to innovation and flexibility. Zero compromises are made with the E3200, as it shares the same rugged chassis, commercial-grade mowing deck, and operator controls as traditional diesel-powered platforms. Despite its robust performance, the E3200 operates significantly quieter, making it ideal for noise-sensitive applications and early morning operations. Equipped with an intuitive info center control panel, operators can access real-time information such as service reminders, alerts, and diagnostic data, ensuring optimal performance at all times. Features like battery reserve and smart power enhance operational efficiency by precisely controlling power consumption and blade speed adjustments. Operator comfort is paramount with adjustable seating, tilt steering, and easy access controls, while safety is ensured with a folding rollover protection system complete with a seat belt. Furthermore, the innovative tilt-up design simplifies maintenance and cleaning, allowing for hassle-free upkeep. With ground speed capabilities of up to 12.5 miles per hour and 8 inches of ground clearance, the E3200 effortlessly maneuvers through various terrains and obstacles, making it a versatile and reliable choice for commercial lawn care professionals. Built to last with 7-gauge welded steel decks and a range of safety features, the Toro Groundsmaster E3200 sets a new standard for performance, comfort, and durability in the commercial mower market. Cadet ZDXS 454 Ultima. The Cadet ZDXS 454 Ultima is a premium riding mower that exemplifies power, performance, and reliability. At $7,799, this machine is a testament to Cadet's commitment to excellence in lawn care equipment. Powered by a Kohler Pro 7000 series engine with a displacement of 747 cc and outputting an impressive 26 horsepower, the ZDXS 454 Ultima delivers robust performance for tackling even the most demanding mowing tasks. This mower is equipped with an electric starter and a 5.5-gallon fuel tank capacity, ensuring effortless operation and extended run times. The Hydro Gear ZD3100 transmission provides smooth and precise control, with forward speeds of up to 8 miles per hour and reverse speeds of 3.5 miles per hour. The hydrostatic drive system ensures optimal maneuverability and efficiency, featuring a 54-inch fabricated cutting deck constructed from 10-gauge steel with 2-gauge reinforcement. The ZDXS 454 Ultima delivers superior cutting performance and durability. Users have precise control over their desired grass length with 17 cutting height positions ranging from 1 to 4.75 inches. Comfort and convenience are prioritized with a high back seat, armrests, and dual LED headlights. The mower also includes practical features like an hour meter, cup holder, and operator presence system for added safety. Backed by a generous warranty of 4 years or 800 hours, the Cadet ZDXS 454 Ultima provides peace of mind and assurance of quality craftsmanship. Whether for residential or commercial use, this mower is designed to exceed expectations and deliver exceptional results season after season.